This is the result of ChatGPT new version of the Ghibli style image. I will tell you the tutorial how to make it. First of all, you have to access the ChatGPT to your browser, and you have to log in first because attached image need a login. You can log in with your Google or with another account like Microsoft, Apple, or something like that, or you can sign up with your email. After you log in, it's very simple. You just upload your photo, and then you just type this, convert this photo to Studio Ghibli style. And yeah, just enter. I increase the speed of the screen recorder. This is a photo of Elon Musk and Donald Trump. This is the very good result of Ghibli image, and yeah, I got a limit because this is a free account. You can upgrade it to ChatGPT Plus or Pro, just $20, and you can make image more fast and more many image. There's a tweet from Sam Altman. He is a CEO of ChatGPT. Because of the Ghibli style image viral, and the GPU is over, and yeah, the free tier will get 3 generation, but it's okay. I mean 3 generation per day. It's okay for us. Just that of this video tutorial. I will show you the example of Ghibli style image conversion from Twitter, from another user. I will share you.